In fact, one of the biggest news coming ahead of Diwali festival tomorrow is that WHO, World Health Organization, has given a green nod to India's indigenous vaccine, Covaxin, from the house of Bharat Biotech. This vaccine has fought its way out for the last 6 and 7 months. The way the smear campaign was led by a certain section of the society. And while we were giving the broadcast on this big developing story, we just got an alert that Bharat Biotech's MD Dr. Krishna Ella has given his first reaction. This is what he told the New Indian.
Today, Covaxin got UAL from WHO. It is a momentous occasion for Indian innovation, Indian entrepreneurship, Indian startup, and Indian science. As a scientist, I pray that India's innovation is starting and it's going to boom as we go along.
The fact is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's global outreach, the way he met the world leaders both at G20 and COP26, somehow put pressure on WHO. The way he also took a vociferous and ambitious stand to cut down the carbon emission by 1 billion ton and set the new benchmarks on how India is only emitting 5% emission in the last few years, despite representing the 17% of the world's population. The way Prime Minister held meetings with the US President Biden or the UK Prime Minister Mr. Boris Johnson and other global leaders, that somehow was an indication, I believe, to put pressure also on the WHO?
There was an uproar all over the world on social platforms as Covaxin has been found to be a very effective vaccine. And then people started questioning WHO's ways that how come they granted Sinovac, the Chinese vaccine, UL license in flat 10 days. And Pfizer and others were also given the same. And they said that India, despite contributing the highest number of vaccines to the poor countries, were being denied. So, but I think, Rohan, the Prime Minister's outreach and his influence over the world leaders, especially during G20 and COP26, clinched the deal for India.
Absolutely.
And it's a great day for India that India's own indigenous vaccine has been approved.
And that too ahead of Diwali.
And Rohan, after you interviewed Dr. Ella of Bharat Biotech, the way he spoke to you with passion and commitment to develop the vaccine for India.
That's about it. We wish our viewers and readers a very happy Diwali from the office of the New Indian.